Welcome students. Today we will see question bank for chapter 4 Network Security TYBBA subject Recent Trends in IT. First question, why are the factors like confidentiality, integrity, availability and authenticity considered as the fundamentals? Option A, they help in understanding the hacking process. B, these are the main elements for any security breach. C, they help to understand the security and its components in a better manner. D, all of the above. Answer is option C, they help to understand the security and its component in better manner. Confidentiality, integrity, availability and authenticity. All these four elements helps in understanding security and its components. So answer is option C. Next question. In the CIA triad, which one of the following is not involved? Option A, availability, B, confidentiality, C, authenticity and D, integrity. Answer is option C, authenticity. CIA refers to confidentiality, integrity and availability that are also considered as a CIA triad. So, authenticity is not involved in CIA triad. Next question. In any organization, company or firm, the policies of information security come under option A, CIA triad, B, confidentiality, C, authenticity, D, none of the above. Answer is option A, CIA triad. Confidentiality, integrity, availability and authenticity. All these four elements helps in understanding security and its components. Which of the following is a type of independent malicious program that never required any host program? Option A, Trojan horse, B, worm, C, trapdoor, D, virus. Answer is option B, worm. Worm is a type of independent malicious program that does not require any host program or attach with some programs. They typically cause damages to the system by consuming the bandwidths and overloading of servers. Worms are quite different from the virus as they are standalone program, whereas virus needs some type of triggers to activate by their host or required human interaction. Next question. DNS translates a domain name into option A, hex, B, binary, C, IP and D, URL. Answer is option D, URL. DNS stands for Domain Name System. The main work of a DNS is to translate the domain name into an IP address that is understandable to the computers. Next question. Which of the following statement is true about the Trojans? Option A, Trojans perform tasks for which they are designed or programmed. B, Trojans replicates themselves or clone themselves through an infections. C, Trojans do not harmful to the user's computer system. And D, none of the above. Answer is option A, Trojan perform tasks for which they are designed or programmed. Trojan are the type of malware that will perform any type of actions for those they are designed or programmed. Another important thing about Trojan is that the user may not know that the malware enters their system until the Trojan starts doing its job for which they are programmed. Next question. Which of the following malware's type allow the attacker to access the administrative controls and enables his or her to do almost anything he wants to do with the infected computers? Option A. Rats, B. Worms, C. Rootkits, D. Botnets. Answer is option A. Rat. The RAT is an abbreviation of Remote Access Trojans or Remote Administration Tools, which gives the total control of a device, which means it can control anything or do anything in the target device remotely. It allows the attacker administrative control just as if they have physical access to your device. Next question. Which type of following malware does not replicate or clone themselves through the infection? Option A. Rootkits, B. Trojans, C. Worms, and D. Viruses. Answer is option B. Trojans. The Trojan type of malware does not generate copies of themselves or clone them. The main reason why these types of viruses are referred to as Trojan is the mythical story of the Greeks, in which some top-level accessions were hidden in the big wooden horse-like structure and given to enemy as a gift, so that they can enter to the enemy's palace without come in any sight. Next question. Which of the following statements is true about the VPN in network security? Option A. It is a type of device that helps to ensure that communication between a device and a network is secure. B. It is usually based on IPsec, that is IP security, or SSL, secure socket layer. C. It typically creates a secure encrypted virtual tunnel over open internet. And D. All of the above. Answer is option D. All of the above. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. It is a type of network security enhancing tools that can be either a software program or a hardware device. It usually authenticates the communication between a device and a network by creating a secure encrypted virtual tunnel. In general, the software VPNs are considered as the most effective user-friendly over the hardware VPNs. Next question. Which of the following statement is correct about email security in network security methods? Option A. One has to deploy hardware, software, and security procedures to lock those apps down. B. One should know about what the normal behavior of a network look like so that he or she can spot any changes, breaches in the behavior of the network. C. Phishing is one of the most commonly used methods that are used by hackers to gain access to the network. And D. All of the above. Answer is option C. Email security phishing is one of the standard methods that are used by hackers to gain access to a network. The email security tools can handle several types of attacks such as incoming attacks, protect the outbound messages containing sensitive data or information as well. Next question. Which of the following is considered as the world's first antivirus program? Option A. Creeper, B. Reaper, C. Tancred, and D. Ray Tomlinson. Option is Answer is B. Reaper. Reaper is considered as the world's first antivirus program or software as it can detect the copies of Creeper, the world's first man-made computer virus, and could delete it as well. Next question. When was the first computer virus created? Option A. 1970, B. 1971, C. 1972, and D. 1969. Answer is option A. 1970. The world's first computer virus was created by Robert Thomas. This virus was designed as it creates copies of itself or clone itself and spread one computer to another. So the correct answer will be 1970. Next question. Which of the following statement is correct about the firewall? Option A. It is a device installed at the boundary of a company to prevent unauthorized physical access. B. It is a device installed at the boundary of an incorporate to protect it against the unauthorized access. C. It is a kind of a wall built to prevent files from damaging the corporate. And D. None of the above. Answer is option B. Firewall can be type of either a software or the hardware device that filters each and every data packets coming from the network, internet. It can also consider as a device installed at the boundary of an incorporate to protect from unauthorized access. Sometimes firewall also refer to the first line of defense against viruses, unauthorized access, malicious software, etc. Next question. In the computer network, the encryption techniques are primarily used for improving the option A. Security, B. Performance, C. Reliability, D. Longevity. Answer is option A. Security. Encryption techniques are usually used to improve the security of the network. So the correct answer will be option A. Security. Next question. Which of the following factors of the network gets hugely impacted when the number of users exceeds the network's limit? Option A. Reliability, B. Performance, C. Security, D. Longevity. Answer is option D. When the number of users on a network get increased and exceeds the network limit, therefore the performance is one of the factors of the network that is hugely impacted by it. Thank you.